So we got the lemon right here. I always do this at home. Wash my ingredients. Baking soda, some water. I'm going to leave this for a few minutes. All of these garlic, pepper. Just crush up these garlic right here. So you need to do this and then scrape off that. All right, that's one of them. We need to wash off this right now. It is into some baking soda water. So this is lemon, simple. Make a couple slices of the lemon like this, and then we're going to cut him up like this. All right, to buy. All right, so go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, a good fight. So this is what we're going to do to start the week with the garlic straight inside of it, lemon inside of it, just like this. Organic honey of about 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon.